Hello, beautiful English learners. Welcome back to your daily easy English speaking practice. Today is not about perfection. Today is about progress. Maybe you feel shy speaking English. Maybe you understand English, but speaking feels difficult. And maybe sometimes you think, will I ever speak confidently? The answer is yes. Absolutely yes. Because every time you practice, your English grows stronger. And today, you and I are going to practice together. This is your shadowing challenge. That means, you listen carefully, then, after me, copy my pronunciation, copy my rhythm, copy my energy, and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, smile a little, and let's begin your English journey together. Sparkles Day 1. Shadowing practice. I will say the sentence first. Then it's your turn to. Ready? Let's start. I am becoming more confident every day. My English improves with practice. I speak English with courage. I am not afraid to learn slowly. Every small step matters. I can do difficult things. I trust myself. I enjoy learning new words. My voice matters. I am proud of myself today. Amazing job. You already completed 10 sentences. That's progress. Now let's make it slightly more challenging. You're ready for it. I speak English more clearly every day. Learning English is becoming easier for me. I practice even when I feel nervous. Confidence comes from daily practice. I am creating better habits for my future. My mistakes help me improve faster. I listen carefully and speak calmly. English is becoming part of my daily life. I believe in my English journey. I never stop trying. Wow! Take a moment and appreciate yourself. Most people quit too early, but you are still here. That means you are serious about improving. And honestly, that's powerful. Now let's finish strong together. I am learning to express myself confidently. Speaking English feels more natural now. I grow every time I practice. I deserve to speak confidently. My future self will thank me for practicing today. I speak step by step without fear. I am patient with my progress. I choose progress over perfection. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. This is only the beginning of my success. Congratulations! You completed today's shadowing challenge. And I want you to remember something important. Fluent English is not built in one day. It is built one sentence, one practice, one brave moment at a time. So keep showing up, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. And if you enjoyed this practice, come back to next video for day 2 of your easy English speaking challenge. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with a friend who is learning English too. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep growing. Bye for now.